Hey, this is Netta. Welcome to my weekly shopping haul video. I am going to try to do these every week where I review brands and I feature brands that I'm either working with or that I've discovered, and I show you kind of how I feel about the items. I try them on, I give you my feedback, because I think we're all looking for those sources to find the items that are going to fill the gaps that we have in our wardrobes. And many of us are stuck shopping at the same places, whether the places that we've always shopped at or the places that are in our town or the one online store we frequent. And so I want to open up your world to new shopping possibilities. So I'm really excited to be working with StitchFix on today's video, particularly StitchFix FreeStyle. If, like me, you kind of know what you like, you know what you want, but you don't always know where it's available, then I think FreeStyle is going to be a game changer for you. It was really cool because this is kind of funny. I was actually scrolling through after I started liking things on the FreeStyle section of StitchFix. I was scrolling through my feed and I was like, why do I like everything here? I like literally every single thing I'm seeing. And then I realized that what it does is it pays attention to your size, your preferences, your likes, your brands, all of the input that you put into it curates your own personal boutique. It's like looking through, like walking into a store and saying, oh my goodness, everything here fits me and I love everything, which is awesome and dangerous. But I was like, oh my gosh, I like all of these things. My favorite brands were showing up: Hill House Home, Kate Spade, Free People, and I started just seeing one thing after another that I loved. So I love the idea of shopping my own curated boutique. Shipping and returns are always free, and there's no pressure you can shop as frequently or infrequently as you want to. So FreeStyle is really exactly what it sounds like. It's FreeStyle. You get a curated boutique that is shipped to you for free whenever you want it. So again, it's not an automatic thing. It's just when you want to order it, that's when you order it, and you can go on and shop anytime. What's really cool is after you've made a purchase, they'll actually style that item for you in a couple of different ways, so you can kind of get styling ideas for it. And I have loved using it. I was just looking at the site again this morning, and I found a couple more new finds that I'm looking at. And so I will have some links below, some affiliate links, and you can check it out for yourself and see kind of how cool it is to shop online at a store that is designed for you. Your size, your style, your brands, everything. So I love it. They call it a personalized shopping experience. Outfit and item suggestions change throughout the day. So you're always getting like a fresh set of items to look at. They also have these trending for you items that let you discover and shop an array of trending looks that are also personalized for you. So if you're like, okay, what kind of trends would they recommend for me? That's what the trending for you section is for. These pieces are also curated by categories. So you can look at dresses, you can look at jewelry, you can look at shoes. Just really fabulous items. So I'm going to show you the first two items that I picked. The first is this nap dress from Hill House Home. I've been wanting to try one of their nap dresses for a minute, and I was so excited that they were available on StitchFix FreeStyle. I love this dress. I can tell you why it's called a nap dress, because it's super comfortable and super flowy. This is definitely coming with me to Europe. I love the color palette, but of course they've got solids and they've got patterns, but this is the iconic, I feel like this is the dress that kind of kicked off the whole cottagecore thing. It definitely, had a moment in 2020 when everyone was wearing nap dresses, because let's face it, we were staying home. But these are dresses that are comfortable enough to lounge around the house in, but stylish enough to wear to anywhere you're gonna go. So like I said, this is definitely coming to Europe with me. It's very comfortable, it's very chic. I love the pattern and the color palette. It is so me, and I'm looking forward to styling this in a number of different ways. Absolutely love this dress. This was a home run for me from Hill House Home. The next dress that I tried is this Daniel Rain dress. I love this dress. I've already worn this dress, I think 3 times, and I only got it a couple weeks ago because it is so easy to throw on and go. It's very, very comfortable. It's long sleeve, but very lightweight, which is something I really look for in a dress. I like to have a sleeve because my arms get cold, but I also don't want to get hot. I live in Florida. It's 170 degrees right now. I wore this to church. I wore this when I was in Illinois visiting family. I've worn this I've worn it like even just for a day working at home. It is comfortable and effortless and easy. It doesn't wrinkle. It just checks all the boxes for me. Absolutely love this one. This definitely got 5 out of 5 stars for me. So these are the first 2 items that I ordered from StitchFix FreeStyle. I'm going to pop up a couple of other items that I am currently eyeing because there are so many I love. Like I said, some of the Kate Spade items that are available, some of the jewelry, some of the shoes. There are just a lot of really, really cute pieces that are in the store right now. And I am, in my personal curated boutique, and I would encourage you to go and fill out the form and kind of start browsing and seeing what they recommend for you and what's trending for you and what's curated for you. It really is a lot of fun. Would definitely encourage you to use my link below. I would really appreciate it if you did that, and let me know what you think of it. Do you find your favorite brands on it like I did? I was really excited, like I said, to find my favorite brands. What were your favorite pieces that you spotted? I think you will find that there's a nice wide range of sizes and prices, and really is something for everybody. So excited to be working with Stitch Fix Freestyle on today's video. Let me know if you have any questions about this in the comments, and love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.